This is our 33-foot Four Winds Hurricane. It has 3 slide outs. It is a gas engine. You have a patio awning to relax under while you're camping. There's storage both on the passenger and driver's side. Here's just a small sample. This is a through and through storage that you can access both on passenger and driver's side. Stepping in, you have the dinette table that can also turn into a double-sized bed. It has 2 seat belts. Across from there is the couch, which has 3 seat belts, and it also is a small queen hide-a-bed. Above both of these areas you have lots of storage. Visiting the driver's area, you have the driver's seat, passenger seat, backup camera, stereo, TV, and DVD player. Turning around, we have the galley, which offers you the refrigerator and freezer. And then you also have your 3-burner stovetop, oven, and microwave. So there's your nice galley. Walking through our side hallway, you can access the bathroom, which is nice and spacious with plenty of storage. Quick shot of the shower. So it's pretty big, good size. You can access the bedroom through the bathroom or through the side hallway. So here we have the queen bed, storage, and then also we have a wardrobe with drawers and your TV. Special note about this unit is that it does not have satellite capability, and it also does not have leveling jacks. It is still a beautiful motorhome. In great condition, very clean, low mileage. So that is our 33-foot Four Winds Hurricane.